I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream in juicer, full guide. Chill the juicer bowl and attachments, pour cold heavy cream into the feed chute, and process on medium until soft peaks form. Add sugar or vanilla to taste, pulse briefly to combine, and watch texture closely to avoid overwhipping. Serve immediately on fruit or coffee, or refrigerate briefly for firmer peaks before serving friends and family. Start by gathering 1 cup of cold heavy cream, sugar, and a splash of vanilla, and set the juicer on a stable surface. Chill the juicer bowl and whipping attachment in the fridge for best results, then attach firmly. Pour the cream into the feed chute slowly while running the juicer on medium, watching texture. Stop when you see soft to medium peaks, then taste and adjust sweetness before serving warm or chilled. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes a fun kitchen companion for timers and playlists while you whip and decorate. I placed a link in the description where you can find the speaker and other deals, so check that out for convenience and extras. Now let's get back to the video. Run the juicer on medium and check the cream every 30 seconds so you catch soft peaks before it becomes grainy. If you accidentally overwhip, rescue it by folding in a tablespoon of cold cream until the texture smooths out. For dessert use, chill the whipped cream for 10 to 15 minutes to firm up slightly, and for coffee, top immediately for a lighter finish. These small steps give consistent, fluffy results each time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.